डियर स्टूडेंट अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं मोहम्मद आज़मी, टीचर यूपीएस पांडी जून शाम खुर्द। तो बच्चों, आज हम चैप्टर 9 क्लास 7 स्ट्रगल्स फॉर इक्वलिटी के सवालात के जवाबात लिखेंगे। व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज़ मीन बाय एक्सप्रेशन पावर और बैलेट बॉक्स डिस्कस। आपके ख्याल में बैलेट बॉक्स पर ताकत के इज़हार से क्या मुराद है, पर तबादला ख्याल कीजिए। तो इसका आंसर है power or the ballot box signifies the power of the common people who are availing the right to vote in every election. They are the real power of any country who are driving the government and the working of the system without any second thoughts. क्वेश्चन नंबर दो है, what issues is the Tawa Matsya Singh TMS fighting for? तो इसका आंसर है, in 1994 the government gave the rights to fishing in the Tawa reservoir to the private contractors. These contractors drove the local people away and threatened the ones who did not leave by bringing in hoodlums. The villagers stood united and decided that it was time to set up an organization and do something to their protect their rights. Thus, they formed the Tawa Matsya Singh TMS, which organized rallies and protests demanding their rights to continue fishing for their livelihood. Question number 3 है, why did the villagers set up this organization? तो इसका आंसर है, the villagers set up this issue in order to protect their livelihood and their land. They also set up this organization with the additional objective of highlighting the injustice meted out them by the government. Question number 4. Do you think that the large-scale participation of villagers has contributed to the success of the TMS? Write 2 lines on why you think so. इसका आंसर है, in response to the large-scale protests by the TMS, the government created a committee to assess the issue. The committee recommended the fishing rights to granted to the villagers of their livelihoods. In 1996, the Madhya Pradesh government decided to give fishing rights to the reservoir to the people displaced by the Tawa Dam. A 5 year lease agreement was signed 2 months later. On January 1997, people from 33 villages of Tawa started the new year with the first catch. With the TMS taking over, the fish workers were able to increase their earning substantially. Thus, it can be said that the large-scale participation by the people forced the government to review the situation in their villages' favor as they worked out a deal which would be beneficial for all the parties. Question number 5. What role does the Constitution play in people's struggle for equality? Constitution play a significant role in the people's struggle for equality. It ensures that there is a free and fair treatment in the eye of the Constitution. Everyone is equal, no one is superior over the other. It ensures that every person must get equal rights under the law. It makes sure that everyone has access to the basic fundamental rights. तो ये थे स्ट्रगल फॉर एग्जिस्टेंस के क्वेश्चनों के आंसर। तो ये आप अपनी कॉपी पर नोट कीजिएगा। वस्सलाम।